today third lecture related to this. Yesterday we have done some examples, some parts of the exercise. Today we can start next part of it. And using which formula? We are using distance formula. Which formula? Distance formula. So, yesterday we have done 4 questions from the exercise. Now we can start from question number 5, which is given in your exercise related to example which is given in your book. What's in a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the point A, B, C, D. So here in figure given, so one friend is sitting here at this point, and what's the name of this point A? So first we can find out its coordinate. Already I told you. So what are the coordinate of A? How much its distance from the y-axis? How much unit? 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units. So what's the coordinate? 3. And its distance from the x-axis, how much? 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 units. So what are the coordinate of this point A? 3 and 4. Points A, B, C, D as shown in the figure 7.8. Champa and Chameli walks into the class. 2 students, or you can say 2 teachers, you can say. Champa and Chameli walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, do not you think ABCD is a square? So saying these ABCD sitting there, so not making a square. Chameli disagree. Chameli is not agree with her. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. You have to tell these force ABCD making a square or not making a square. So now another point is this B. What's the name of this point B? And what are the coordinate of this B? So first we can take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, like this. This is this point, this. These are its coordinates. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. And what's y? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the coordinate of this point. One point is here D. So D is like this. And this. So what's x coordinate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. As it is, this is 6. Y, 1. And one more point is here. And what's the name of this point? C. What's the name of this point? C. So first we can find out its coordinate. Which coordinate? X. So x is what here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's meaning coming 9. And here this. So what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 and 4 are the coordinate of these points. Now we have to tell they are making a square or not. So we can find out this one by using this. And you know, what do you know about square? You know what is square? Whose all sides are equal. Whose all sides are equal. And so we can find out. So join this A with B. So what we can do? We can join this A with B. So what is this? So A with B, B with C, C with D, and like this. So we have to tell it's making a square or not. This is AB. So by using, we can find out by using, first we can find out its solution. So AB equal to OB minus OA. So how can we find out OB? What are the x coordinate of B? 6, A3. So 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4 whole square, and this is equal to this 6 minus 3, 3 square plus 4, 7 minus 4, 3 square. So what is this? 9 plus 9, it's meaning under root 18. AB equal to under root 18. Now what we can find out? We can find out BC. AB, BC in this way, BC equal to OC minus OB. Again using distance formula. C, OB minus C. C is what? What's the coordinate of CR? 9 and 4. So 9 minus 6. What? 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7. What is that? 4 minus 7 whole square is equal to this 3 square plus minus 3 square, which is equal to 9 plus 9. How much? Again, this is under root 18. Got? Now BC, then CD. CD, where is CD? This is CD. The point is here. What's D is here? CD. So CD equal to OD minus OC. So what you can say? OD. D is this 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 whole square, because distance formula is this x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1, or we can write like this also, x1 minus x2 plus y1 minus y2. So any way you can apply, in any way you can apply. It's remains same. Why? Distance is positive. That's why reason is this. CD equal to how much? 6 minus 9 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 whole square is equal to 9 plus 9 is equal to under root 18. Got? CD, D. Look one time, A, B, C, D, B, C, D, A. That depend on you. You can apply anyway. Not it's not a matter. So OA minus OD is equal to D. OA. Where is A? Whose coordinate are 3 and 4? 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6. I can write here 3 minus 6 plus 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 whole square is equal to this minus 3 whole square plus 3 whole square is equal to 9 plus 9 and root 18. So AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. So definitely we can say this is a quadrilateral. Either it is a rhombus or it is a square. So what we can find out? we can find out this. One way is this, we can find out this BD. What we can find out? BD. We can find out this BD. So find out one time. This is given in your example also. BD equal to OD minus OB equal to this. BD, OD is what? 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So here I can write 6 minus 6 whole square plus BD 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7 is equal to 0 square, which remain as it is. It's minus 6 square is equal to what? Is equal to 0 plus 36 is equal to root 36. Understood? So we can check BD square equal to DC square. BD square equal to DC square plus DC plus CB square plus CB square. Why? BD square and root 36 square, 36 is equal to 18 plus 18. So we are talking about in this triangle, which triangle? BDC. BD square equal to this square plus this square. BD square is equal to what? BD square equal to this. So what we can say? So by the converge of Pythagoras theorem, opposite to this side is right angle. So opposite to this, it's meaning this angle is how much degree? So this angle is become how much degree? This angle is become 90 degree. If this angle become 90 degree, remaining angle also automatically become 90 degree. So what we can say? Directly we can say, therefore ABCD is a square. Another method, find out this BD, then find out AC. If both are equal, then also it is a square. So if you can find out AC here, so if you can find out AC equal to under the root AC, this minus this, 9 minus 3, 6 square plus 4 minus 4 square is equal to 6 plus square plus 0 square is equal to root 36. Then also we can say AC equal to BD, hence ABCD is a square. So whose answer is right? Champa saying, do not you think ABCD is a square? But Chameli not agree with her. So we can say, using distance formula, find which of them is correct. So we can say Champa is correct. ABCD is a square. I think you understand only one formula in this complete exercise. Easily able to show what type of question given. You need two things. If you know how can find out coordinate of a point, easily you can find out. In example, what's given? Coordinates given. You have to find out. You have to prove this is a square or not. But here what's given? Here you have to find out coordinate also, and then you have to prove ABCD is a square. So possibility of this type of question in exam. Next given, next also like this. Name the type of quadrilateral. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points, and give reason for your answer. It's meaning 4 point given about quadrilateral. You know, a closed figure having how many sides? 4 sides. So we can start from this sixth question, first part. Which part? First. We can say A, whose coordinate? A is a point whose coordinate, or we can make a figure. It's better we can make what we can make figure like this. So later on we can tell what is this. This is A, B, C, D. What are the coordinate of A? -1, -2. B, 1, 0, C, -1 and what? 2, D, -3 and 0. So you have to tell what type of quadrilateral is this. So what we can say? First we can find out AB. AB. AB equal to OB minus OA. So what is this? AB, where is AB? This. So 1 minus minus plus. So 1 plus 1 whole square. What? Whole square plus 0 minus minus plus 2 whole square. So 0 plus 2 whole square. So if we can solve this, this is coming 2 square plus 2 square. And what is this? This is equal to 4 plus 4, and which is equal to root 8. Then we can find out what we can find out. BC as like this, OC minus OB is this. We can find out by this using distance formula. BC, OC minus OB, -1, -1. What's become? -1, -1. -1 whole square plus, what is this? 2. 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. I think you understood this. Is equal to this. So what's become? -2 square plus 2 square is equal to what? 4 plus 4 under the root 8. Under the root 8. Then find out CD. AB, BC, CD. CD equal to what? OD minus OC. How you can find out? -3 minus 3 minus 1. -3 plus 1. Sorry. -3 minus minus plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. Got it or not? So it's like this. It's meaning -2 whole square plus -2 whole square, which is equal to what? 4 plus 4 again under the root 8. What? 8. This I can write here, D point. D is what? -3 and 0. Understood? Then DA, OA minus OD. So find out this -1 plus 3 whole square plus -2 minus 0 whole square is equal to this. It's meaning 2 square plus -2 square. What is this? Again, this is coming 4 plus 4 is equal to under the root. So what we can say? AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to BA. So till here we can say ABCD is either a square or a rhombus. So what we can find out now, like previous question, we will find out this DB. So DB equal to OB minus OD under the root OB minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 3 whole square plus what is this? 0 0 minus 0 minus 3, sorry, wrong written, OB 1 given, so this wrong written. So what is this? 1 minus minus plus 1 plus 3 square plus 0 minus 0 whole square, which is equal to 4 square plus 0 square, which is equal to root 16. Therefore, dB square is equal to what? DC CD square plus BC square. Yes or no? So by converse of Pythagoras theorem, what's opposite to this side? It's meaning this angle is right angle. What angle? Right angle. So if one angle of a quadrilateral become 90 degree, if one angle of a rhombus become 90 degrees, so remaining three angle also become 90 degree. So this is a property of rhombus. So this is definitely a square. What is this? Definitely a square. This I think you understood or not, I don't know. So dB equal to root 16, so dB square equal to 16. CD is this, root 8, it's square 8. BC, it's also 8, 8 plus 8, 16. So what we can say, dB square equal to CD plus BC square. So by converse of Pythagoras theorem saying angle C is right angle and triangle DBC is a right angle triangle. So we can say if this is a rhombus whose one angle is 90 degree, definitely this remaining angle also become 90 degrees. So what we can say, ABCD is a square. So in this way you can solve what you can solve remaining question also. Remaining question which is given where? In your book. Second part you can take. So second part, so this I am taking. So what points I have taken, this I have taken. What are its point? Coordinate I can write here next, minus 3, 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 0, 3, 0, 3, minus 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 4. What you have to tell here? Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points, and give reason of your spot of your answer. So this second part you can say question number 6. Which part is the second? Solution is this given. So we are having 3 points. So I am saying again to you saying it's a quadrilateral. So we can make a quadrilateral. A point whose coordinate are -3, 5, B points whose coordinate are 3 and 1, C point whose coordinate are 0 and 3, and D is a point whose coordinate are -1, -4. We have to tell what we have to tell. Is it a what type of quadrilateral found by these 4 points? So first solution, AB we can find out. Again AB equal to OB minus OA. So what's this? Under the root 3 minus minus plus. So 3 plus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 square. So which is equal to this 3 plus 3 6 square plus minus 4 square. So 6 square 36 plus 16. How much? Under the root 52. BC OC minus OB. What is this? This is BC 0 minus 3. What's 0 minus 3 whole square? 0 minus 3 whole square and 3 minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 whole square is equal to, what is this? Minus 3 square plus 2 square. Minus 3 square is 9 plus 4, how much? Under root 13. Then find out CD. Then find out CD. CD is what? OD minus OC. OD minus OC equal to under the root minus 1 minus 0. Minus 1 minus 0 whole square plus what's minus 4 minus 3 whole square. So what is this? So minus 1 whole square plus minus 7 whole square. So this is equal to 1 plus 49. How much? On root 50. Then what we can find out? DA. DA. So OA minus OD. So what is this? Minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 whole square. So what is this? 3 minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus 9 square is equal to what? This is 4 plus 81 is equal to 85. So all are coming, what coming? All are coming different. So what we can say? So they are making what? They are, what's they making? It is not a square, it is not a rhombus, it is not a rectangle, it is not a parallelogram. Understood? Now we will check. What we will check? These also we will check about its diagonal. Is there any relation between these diagonal or not? If there is no relation, then directly we can say it is a quadrilateral, but we cannot say which type of quadrilateral is this. So what we can find out? BD we can find out. BD, so under the root, BD equal to OD minus OB. OD. So it's meaning minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus plus minus 4 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 square, which is equal to what? Minus 4 square plus minus 5 square, which is equal to 16 plus 25 is equal to root 41. Yes or no? Then BD we can find out AC also. So OC minus OE. So what is? Zero minus minus plus. 0 is this x coordinate and it's also x coordinate. So 0 plus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. So what is this? So this is equal to 3 square plus minus 2 square, which is equal to 9 plus 4 on root 13. So here AC also not equal to BD. So we cannot say what type of quadrilateral is this, but we can say it is a quadrilateral. Why it is a quadrilateral? So it is a quadrilateral because it is a closed figure having 4 sides. But we cannot say it is a square, we cannot say it is a rhombus. Square all sides are equal, rhombus all sides are equal. Understood? Not a parallelogram. Parallelogram opposite side need written AB equal to DC, AB equal to CD. AB is equal to 152 and CD equal to 150. So this is not again equal. So it's not a square, not a rhombus, not a parallelogram, not a parallelogram. And then what we can say? Not a rectangle. Understood? Trapezium, what we need? Opposite side are equal and diagonal bisect each other at a point. But here we don't know the coordinate of this point. If this point coordinate given, then we can check is it a trapezium or not. So we can say it is a quadrilateral. What we can say? Quadrilateral. Understood? Next, one more part given. What's given? One more part given. This third part. This one. Coordinates given A, B, C, D. So what we can write? First is 4, 5, 7, 6. So 4, 5 and what's 7, 6. Then 4, 3, 1, 2. 4, 3 and what is this? 1, 2. So here also same question. Which question? 6th question. Which part? Third part. Here also we have to tell. What we have to tell? Is it a what type of quadrilateral if it is a quadrilateral formed? Understood? So you can check. Again we can make a figure like this. This. A point whose coordinate are 4 and 5. B 7, 6. C 4, 3. D 1 and 2. So again we will check. Procedure remains same. What procedure? By using distance formula. So first what we can find out? AB. AB equal to OB minus OE. O mean origin here. Understood? So if this is the origin, so this point in this way taking is equal to under the root 7 minus 4. 7 minus 7 minus 4 whole square plus y coordinate of B 6, y coordinate of A 5, 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5 whole square is equal to, what is that? 7 minus 4, 3 square plus 6 minus 4, 1 square is equal to 9 plus 1 is equal to under the root 10. Then we can find out BC equal to OC minus OB. So what's the BC is this, 4 is the x coordinate of C, minus this 4 minus 7, 4 minus 7 whole square plus 3 minus 6, 3 minus 6, 6 whole square, so is equal to this, is equal to 4 minus 3 square plus minus 3 square is equal to 9 plus 9 is equal to under root 18. AB, BC, CD equal to OD minus OC equal to this. OD 1 minus 4. Why written 1 minus 4? I think you know. Otherwise, x coordinate of D point and x coordinate of C point plus 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square, so is equal to what? Minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 whole square, and which is equal to 9 plus 1 equal to under the root 10. So we can say, what we can say, this is 1, what is this? This is 2, this is 3, and now you find out DA equal to OA minus OD. So how can we find out? OA, A point is this 4 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 whole square is equal to this 4 minus 1, 3 square plus 3 square and root 9 plus 9 and root 18. And root 18. Comparing first and third, second and fourth. Comparing first and third, second and fourth, we get equation. So we can say AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. This is AB equal to CD. And BC equal to DA. BC equal to DA. This BC equal to DA. Opposite side are equal of a quadrilateral. So either it is a rectangle or it is a square. So we will check it is a rectangle or not. By which method? This method. By this method, we will find out this DB. So check one time. DB equal to OB minus OB. Find out. 7 minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square is equal to 6 square plus 4 square is how much? 36 plus 16, how much? Under root 50. Understood? This implies dB square is equal to 52. Understood? And what's DC square plus BC square? What's DC? CD. This is 10 plus BC. BC 18 is equal to 28. So this is, we can say, fifth, and this is, we can say, sixth. And then we can write here from fifth and sixth, we get what you get. What you get? dB square, which is given here, is not equal to what? DC square plus CB square. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. So opposite side are equal. So either it is a parallelogram or it is a rectangle. But this angle is not 90 degree. So definitely we can say ABCD is a parallelogram, not a rectangle. If this angle become 90 degree, then we can say ABCD is a parallelogram. And this, you know, all rectangle are parallelogram, but all parallelogram need not be a rectangle. Understood? And when this 90 degree angle, if this satisfies this condition, dB square equal to DC square plus CB square. So I think you understood. I told each and everyone part of this question. Now we can start which part? Next part. Next question. Next question is what? Find the points on the x-axis. Saying find the point on the x-axis. Find the point on the x-axis. What's its meaning? Its meaning y is 0. Okay, so y coordinate is 0, which is equidistant from this point. So one point we have taken this. Its name is A, who's this. And this is the point B we have taken, who's -2 and 9. Again, in which quadrant this lying? X is positive, Y is negative. So in second quadrant lying. In which quadrant? X and Y. So first quadrant both positive. In second quadrant Y is negative, X is positive. In third quadrant both negative. And in fourth quadrant what? Fourth quadrant what? Y is negative, X is positive. Again I can repeat, I have some doubt. First quadrant both are positive. In second quadrant X is negative, Y is positive. In third quadrant both negative. In fourth quadrant Y is negative and X is positive. So this is x-axis, this is the positive part of x-axis, this is the positive part of y-axis, this is the negative part of x-axis, this is the negative part of y-axis. So 2 and -5, it's meaning x is positive and y is negative. So this point lying in the fourth quadrant. And here x is negative and y is positive, so lying in the second quadrant. And third point taking this C lying on the x-axis, it's meaning y definitely 0. So we are saying these are the coordinate of this point. And joining this line, this point name is C, and this point. What's given? This is given to us. CA equal to CB. CA equal to CB. So we can find out, first we can find out CA equal to OA minus OC. So find out OA, this point 2 minus X. 2 minus 2 minus x. I can erase this. So this can write 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 minus 0. Minus 5 minus 0. This we can write like this. 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 whole square. This is your 1. Now we can find out CB. CB equal to OB minus OC. So again like this. B, this is minus 2. Minus 2 minus x. Minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square, and which is, if you can write, this is coming minus 2 minus x whole square plus minus 9 whole square. This is your first. From first, we can say, what you can say? This 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 whole square is equal to under the root minus 2 minus x whole square plus minus 9 whole square. This is your 2. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides of equation number 2, we get. So question if coming this from this exercise, so collinear, it may be possible saying prove that these points are collinear or not, or it may be possible prove that it is a square or not. But if you know how can find out coordinate and distance formula, then any type of question coming easily you can show. So it's meaning 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 whole square is equal to minus 2 minus x whole square plus minus 9 whole square. Check one time. 4 plus x square minus what? 4x plus 25. What is this? 25. How much? 4 plus x square plus 4x plus 4x plus 81. If you can check this, cancel this. So minus 4x plus 29 is equal to 4x plus 85. So x in one side. So what's it's become? Minus 4x is equal to 85 minus 29. How much? Minus 8x. 85, 29, 6, 5, 56. So what is x? 56 divided by 8 minus 8 is equal to 7. So what are the coordinate of that point? Minus 7 and 0. Lying on the x-axis, lying on the x-axis. So this is the solution of this question. But you can understand 2-3 steps, then easily you can show how can find out coordinate. And this is a distance formula. And you know length is always positive. Either you can find out AB or you can find out BA. Both are giving same result. So this is question number 7. So now what? Question number 8. Find the value of phi for which the distance between this point and this point is how much unit? 10 unit. Question changing. Understood? But formula remains same, saying find the value of y for which. So it's meaning this is given P point. P point whose coordinates are to this point P and minus 3. X is positive, Y is negative, lying in the fourth quadrant. Understood? So in this also one formula I want to tell, first and third you know. Doubt here, second and fourth. So in second coming first, so X is negative. And fourth is coming in last, so Y is negative. So in this way you can learn it easily. Understood? And if you will do practice, then easily need not be taking help of anyone. Easily you know lying in which. And this is a point Q whose coordinates are 10 and Y. And this distance is how much? 10 units. Find the value of Y. Find the value of Y. So first we can find out its solution. So PQ equal to OQ minus OP. So this is like this. Q x coordinate what? This is the point Q. 10 minus 2 whole square plus Y minus plus 3 whole square. Understood or not? So PQ equal to this. So this we can write like this if you are having no problem. 10 minus 2 8 square plus Y plus 3 whole square. According to the question, we get what you get? PQ equal to 10 units. This one by this formula, this distance, one is given. Definitely both are equal. So it's meaning under the root, its square plus Y plus 3 whole square is equal to what? 10. This is, you can say, 2. Squaring both sides. What's squaring both sides of equation 2, we get squaring meaning 8 square plus Y plus 3 whole square is equal to 10 square. 64 Y square plus 9 plus 6Y is equal to 100. A square plus B square plus 2AB. So this we can write Y square plus 6Y, 64 plus 9, 73 plus 73 minus 100 equal to 0. So this become Y square plus 6Y, how much? Minus 27. Understood? Is equal to 0. Now we have to find out the value of Y. So find out. Now you have to reach in which chapter? Quadrilateral. Sorry. Algebra. Quadratic equation. So Y square plus 6Y minus 27 equal to 0. Make its factor. Factor 2 formula you know. 2 step Y square plus 9Y. So minus what's 27? So what is this? 3 3 is 9. Yes, 9Y minus 3Y, sorry. What's coming here? 3Y. 3Y minus 27. So we will check our factorization is right or not. How can first step is this? What's their sum? So 9Y minus 3Y, 6Y. So it's meaning first step is our right. Then what's their multiplication into minus 3Y? So 9 3s are 27. Y multiply Y square plus multiply this minus this coming. So what's this multiplication? This also minus 27 Y square. It's meaning our step number 1 also right, step number 2 also right. Now we will start step number 3, taking 2, 2. So first what's common? What's common? Y is common. Y plus 9. Here what's common in this 3 common? So y plus 9 equal to 0. Now which common? This common. So y plus 9 and this is y minus 3 equal to 0. So this become equal to 0. What possibility? Either this become 0, then also 0, this become 0, then also 0, and both become 0, then also it's become 0. So we can put y plus 9 equal to 0. So y equal to minus 9 and y minus 3 equal to 0. So y equal to 3. So two value of y possible. Understood? Either the points true co-coordinates 10 and 3. Otherwise 10 and minus 9. What's its meaning? If these are the coordinate of this point Q, then this point lying on the first quadrant Y both are positive. And if these are the coordinate of this point, then this point lying on the fourth quadrant. So 2 points are there, 2 value of Y. Here what? Here the distance is how much? 10 unit from which point? P point. Got or not got? So this is the question number 8. So here use of previous knowledge also beta. If your previous knowledge okay, then easily able to solve. And if you don't know quadratic equation, then how can able to solve? But this is CBSE. If you are talking about CBSE, you can solve question till where you know. CBSE giving marks. If you can write one word, then also CBSE giving marks. So please, this kept in your mind. Now discussing question number 9. If Q is a equidistance from this and this, find the value of x. This is also same. We have taken one point. What point? Q. Q is a point taken here. And what are the coordinates of Q? 0 and 1. And 1 point lying here and 1 lying here. This point name is P, whose coordinate are 5 and minus 3. And this is the point what? R, whose coordinate are x and 6. Find the value of x. Find the distance QR. Find that and PR. You know QR and PR equal. So we have to find out what we have to find out. This distance QP and QR both are equal. So we will take help of it. We will start what? Solution. QP equal to QR. So first we will find out QP. QP mean what? So find out QP meaning OP minus OQ. O is the origin, distance of point P from the origin, and distance of the point Q from the origin. So how can we find out with the help of distance formula? 5 minus 0 whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 whole square is equal to what? 5 square plus minus 4 square. Understood? Or this we can write, how can we write? Under root 25 plus 16 is equal to under the root 41. This you can say, this is 1. Now, what we can find out? QR equal to OR minus OQ. So find out. How much? X minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square, and this we can write like this: x square plus 5 square. This is your 2. By first and second, by equation first and second, we get equation we cannot say, but left hand side, right hand side given we can say. So from first and second we can say from by first and second. So it's meaning QP equal to QR. It's meaning under root 41 is equal to what? X square plus 5 square. So this is taken 3, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, we get squaring both sides of equation 3. Which equation? This 3. We get. So 41 equal to x square plus 25. So bring in this side. 41 minus 25 equal to x square. So x square equal to 16. So what is your x square? X equal to plus minus 4. So either the value of this x is 4 or minus 4. Now we will tell which one is its value. Understood? So we can find out QR. What is this? X4 we have taken. 4 minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square. 6 minus 1. So what is this? So its meaning is this: 16 plus 25. 4, 16, 6 minus 25 and root 14. Satisfying. And if we are taking minus 4, QR equal to this. Then minus 4 minus 0 square plus 6 minus 1 again. So again this is coming into 14. So two value of x possible. One is x equal to 4, other is equal to x equal to minus 4. What we have to find out? We have to find out distance of this point. Which point? QP. QP already find here. Where? In the starting portion of this. Starting portion of this. So what we have to find out? QR. QR. So this is QR. Already you know this is under root 41. And what we have to find out? PR. This distance we have to find out. So PR equal to OR minus OP. So what is this? Under the root. So it's 4 we have taken. 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 whole square plus 6 plus 3 whole square. So what's it become? This is become minus 1 whole square plus 9 whole square. So what's it become? 1 square 1 plus 81 is equal to under the root 82. Which one? PR. And when taking x equal to minus 4, then also coming under root 82. So how much value of x? Two value. One is 4, other is minus 4. And if we are taking x equal to 4, then r lying in the first quadrant. And if we are taking x equal to minus 4, then x is lying in the second quadrant. This is the difference. Understood or not? Yes or no? Any change if you are taking minus this? Yes or no? So got. This is the 9th question of this exercise. All I tell you, so this is just 10th part of it. Last question of this exercise according to me. It's given find the relation between x and y such that point xy is equidistant from these 2 points. So same question repeating, changing its mode only. 1 point given, its coordinate are these. 1 point here, 1 point here. Its name is what you can say. According to you can say this is P, this is Q, this is R. Q point whose coordinate are 3 and 6. And R whose coordinate are -3 and 4. And if again I will talk about they are lying in which quadrant. So Q is lying in the first quadrant and X is negative. So this R is lying in the second quadrant. In which quadrant? Second quadrant. So this is like this. And what's given to you? You have to given this solution. Solution meaning here what's given? According to this, it's given PQ equal to PR. So we can find out PQ equal to OQ minus OP. So under the root OQ, Q is what? This 3 minus X. 3 minus X whole square plus 6 minus Y whole square. So this is your first. Then find out PR. What we can find? PR OR minus OP. So this is again like this. R minus 3 minus X. Minus 3 minus X whole square plus 4 minus Y. Y whole square. This is your second. So from what we can say? According to the question, we get what you get. This 3 minus X whole square plus 6 minus Y whole square is equal to this minus 3 minus X whole square plus 4 minus Y whole square. This is, we can say, equation number 3, squaring both sides. What? Squaring both sides of equation 3, we get, what you get? This you get 3 minus X whole square, this under root remove, plus 6 minus Y whole square equal to minus 3 minus X whole square plus 4 minus Y whole square. Now solve this square. A minus B, A square plus B square minus 2AB plus again A minus B, A square plus B square minus AB. Now right hand side, A minus A square plus B square plus 6X. Understood? Plus this A minus B, 16 plus Y square minus 8Y. So after this, nothing left. Easily we can show this cancel this and this cancel this, square quantity cancel from it. Understood? So what left here? Minus 6X minus 12Y plus 9 equal to 9 plus 6X minus 8Y. So this take in that side, this also cancel this. So minus 6X, this also minus 6X minus 12Y plus 8Y equal to 0. So both are having same sign, minus 12X minus 4Y, 12Y of minus, 8Y of plus. So this is equal to 0. So minus take common, minus what second? Minus 4 you can take common. So 3X minus Y is equal to 0. Taking in this side become this 0. So we can say 3X minus Y equal to 0. In question also you have saying find the relationship between, X and Y. So this is the relationship. What's relationship? 3X is equal to Y. Or what we can say, X is equal to Y by 3. So this also right, this also right, this also right. So in exam, anyone you can write, easily you can understand. So this is the all about this exercise. Which exercise? 7.1. What's 7.1? If any doubt related to this, you can comments to me. I can tell. Tomorrow we will start what? We will start section formula. Already I told you two formula are important in it. First is distance formula, second one is the section formula. Later on from section formula, one more formula coming, that's saying midpoint formula. But that one is a part of section formula. Tomorrow I will tell what derivative of section formula. Definitely again I will tell you that's not coming in your exam 100%. But if you can understand, so easily able to understand this chapter, and if you will not able to solve its derivative, it's meaning create a problem in this chapter. So it's my request, try to understand this one by one. So mainly 3 steps in it. And what's the base of this chapter is this: how can find out the coordinate of a point. If you are able to find that, remaining your basic knowledge or previous knowledge is using in this chapter. So it's my request, you can revise this, how can find out the coordinate of a point. If any doubt, discuss with each other. You can check, say to your teacher, say to your colleague, anyone. So you can solve it and easily able to get full marks in the exam if you will do this chapter. This is my surety to you. Understood? So thank you all of you. Best of luck.